Hey, what's going on, guys? Joseph White here, and you're watching another JDub Twins video. Thought I would just try to do a couple of 0 to 60s in track mode with the new tires on and see how it goes. So, not gonna spend too much time talking and get right into it. Alright, here we go. There. 4.7 seconds. I don't know if you guys can see it on my my thing here. So got some wheel spin on the back tires a little bit, but still stayed in a good spot. We'll try it again. So 4.7, trying again. All right. 4.3 seconds. So a little better. I'm trying to remember exactly what the what the Scat pack is advertised as getting 0 to 60 in. I think 4.3 seconds sounds about right, actually. Gotta keep an eye out for any other cars around me. I tried to find like a remote strip of road, like in the middle of nowhere, but there is some civilization out here. And I see there's a big old truck behind me. I might pull over to the side and let him get around me. So 4.3 seconds right now seems to be it, and I'm kind of curious if switching the traction modes might influence a little bit. Here, let me just pull over to the side here. See if they'll want to go around me. Yeah, let those guys go around and get back on the road here. We'll try one more in track mode, and then we might just see if putting the traction in sport mode or auto might influence it at all. Here we go again. All right, 3, 2, 1. .3 again. We'll stop real fast, and we'll just try putting it in custom mode. Everything is in, let's see, we'll switch transmission into track, suspension into track, and then traction into sport, see if that influences it at all. All right, 3, 2, 1. Ah, man. I actually lost a lot of traction that time. Huh. Seems to have made it worse. Those back tires are slipping pretty good now. Eating these back tires up, guys. Alright, we'll try one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. 4.8. Not gonna lie, the back end was getting so squirrely on me, I had to let up on the exhaust a little bit. But I know some people wanted to see 0 to 60 times, so it looks like the best I was able to get is 4.3. Man, I can't imagine trying to drive like a Hellcat and doing a 0 to 60. Like, holy cow. I mean, the amount of power that this car puts out, and then trying to do a 0 to 60 in that thing. Man. Can't go too fast, gotta keep an eye out for the cops. I know it's Thanksgiving, but you know, those cops might still be out. wish them a happy Thanksgiving too. All right, guys. Well, that was a quick video. Just wanted to do some 0 to 60s. I tried it in track mode, full track, and I tried it with the traction in sport mode. And I'm not gonna lie, it was interesting. I felt like I had more control of the car with everything in track than having the traction in sport mode. I know some people say, like, when you have the traction in sport mode, the more you put the traction mode on, the more you engage it, the less power it gives to the rear tires. In this case, as I launched in track mode, like full track, I felt like I had more control over the back end than when I launched with the traction in sport mode. I don't know, just something I observed, you know, and boy, but was that fun. All right, catch you guys in the next video.